Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will be trying a Chamoy Pickle kit. You need to get a plate. You're not using mine. Here. Put this box on the floor. And I guess you could get a glove. Now I put the glove on. It come with a glove too, y'all. And it's not extra small. This is great because don't nobody want no small behind glove. Now it come with a lot of stuff, y'all. A lot. So the first thing is the pickle. And this is what the pickle look like. And it's a mini pickle. So it's this big. It's not, it's like the biggest my hand. And we're gonna cut it right here. And we're gonna pour the juice out. Oh, let somebody die.
What does it smell like?
A pickle. I said it looked like somebody died. Well, because it's red. We need a knife and a spoon. I didn't know Versa was still in here.
You can't back in here, so I can't.
Okay, so we're gonna cut the pickle in half. Oh, I should have put this on the other hand. Dang, this video gonna be super long. I have to pay for that too. And we're gonna cut the pickle in half. Oh, I'm gonna cut it all on my plate.
We're supposed to do like something spicy.
I don't know if it's spicy. No.
Look like it's supposed to be spicy.
This ain't sour. Now you gotta dig out the insides.
So we're not eating the pickle?
You want to
you
use the
stuffing
outside. It's a little spicy.
You never taken my fat pickle plans with you. This is interesting.
You gotta gut that thing. Get it like a fish. So your pickle gotta look like this, empty. Let me move my phone. I'm gonna waste some juice on it. I'm gonna waste some juice on this thing. And then I think the first thing we're supposed to do is wrap it.
How quick this came in?
We didn't see it was supposed to. So I guess like a week. I don't know. So we got a fruit roll up. We're supposed to wrap it. I'm gonna put all the trash away. Actually, I'm gonna pull the trash in. What you eating? Now, how the freak is we supposed to? Alright. Fruit roll up.
I thought we just stuffing everything in here.
You gotta wrap it up.
But I mean, you ain't made it too deep, was it?
No.
That's probably why.
What? That's probably why what?
It might be difficult, right?
No. I could have wrapped it before I split it. But I'm not doing it for you, so you wrap it up how you want to wrap it. Okay. So this is after I wrapped it. Let me squeeze it down some. So this is it wrapped in a fruit roll-up. Next, we're going to grab the fruit by the foot. I don't exactly know what we're supposed to do with that. So I'm gonna guess we're gonna wrap that too. And I'm gonna wrap it around. Good, can do whatever you want with it. This look about even.
That's not mix.
Pull that cat in that little box again. He must be feeling dookie. So he must be feeling dookie.
Probably already did.
He could dookie multiple times. This not messy. Ooh. Yeah. Don't get this if you don't know what you're doing. I'm a professional. So of course I know what I'm doing. But if you don't know what you're doing, you don't need to get nothing. I should have been a freaking TikToker. I could be getting paid. No, I don't give a damn about you. Craig just texted me back. He want to argue. I'm not arguing tonight. I don't got time. Stop texting me. Anyways, next we're going to put the tacos in there. I don't like no tacos. And then we're going to put the hot Cheetos in there. Ooh, got it. I can tell this ain't going to taste right.
It already don't taste right.
You already tasted it?
Hmm?
You already tasted it?
Yeah.
Why?
No, I tasted it on my fingers. Because I had
Okay. And these is the spaghetti noodles.
spaghetti noodles.
What is this? Oh, this is the keep it. What? Is this some kind of sauce?
Bacon want some?
Yeah, I think this is a sauce.
Bacon
I'm
wants
gonna
some.
use it too. Bacon ain't getting nothing. You better sit down. Can't even pick it up, bro. What the freak? It ain't even nowhere else to stuff this junk at. So. Ooh. Just stuff it down there. Dang, I forgot we got gushers. Ooh, goodness gracious. How are we gonna stick all of this in here? My hand's gonna be red. Should have grabbed another glove. Here's looking mess. Say George looking mess. Alex, you don't want to open. I'm gonna get mad. I love gushers. So I'm gonna get more than you. I'll give you 2.
No, I only need 1. But the glove stick it to the...
I didn't mean to get this, man.
I just want 1.
Why? It ain't gonna be the same.
Alright, I'll get 2. 3, give me 3.
I just waste my fucking gusher, bro. I'm not even pissed.
Here, bro.
I'm mad. Well, now I got 3. I'm pissed. I'm mad. I'm pissed. I'm mad. I'm pissed. I'm mad. I'm pissed. I'm mad.
You the ones on the bottom I ain't touch.
No. Why you cut the light off? Push. You just jealous.
There's the dishes.
You don't see nothing but a spoon and a knife over here. Leave me alone. Just for that, I'm gonna leave them in the sink. Cannot get this open. Yo, I can't get this open. It's not finished.
What's next? What is that?
Obviously, I'm trying to get open. I can't get it open. I'm finna cut it.
Right here. It's mine.
Neither one of them gonna get up under there because I can't get it open. And then I got on a white shirt doing this. I better not waste this drink on my shirt.
Yeah,
Oh, this is the Lucas. This some kind of Lucas sauce. It says sweet and sour. Chamoy. Oh, this is chamoy.
this is for me interesting.
Do I gotta take this out?
I think you do.
I'm breaking the
like
top
a
off.
powder?
Yeah.
Hold on, man.
I broke the top off of it now. Shit. Dang, I'm twisting the label off. I'm twisting everything but. Snap off the tip. I'm tripping.
There you go.
So here's some chamoy, y'all. Oh, that's too much.
Nigga said something. Nah, you got
That's too much, and I already know because that junk nasty. I already know how it tastes. Now I'm guessing that's I'm guessing that's regular chamoy. And this is this is freaking sweet and sour mango chamoy. Chamoy. Don't start with me. Ow.
So you don't cut yourself.
No, I didn't cut it. How fake. I don't waste it on the floor. He gonna be real mad about that when he see that.
I've been holding my nigga plate the whole time.
Look, he's watching this. Freak. This one smells sweet. That one's not coming out chunky. Oh no. Now this is the sauce that came with the spaghetti. Let me cut it over here in case.
Why don't we do it in before?
Hmm?
Why don't we put it in with the spaghetti? Why don't we put it in?
Because I wanted to put all the sauces on top.
That makes sense. There's no smell right.
Well, this must be mixed. I think this Mexican because this is a bunch of Mexican stuff. And what is this? This is chamoy liquid.
So much.
So we ain't got no
Anything
tahini.
there?
I don't care. Trying to freak bro, open this thing.
You don't twist it.
I tried to twist it in.
Maybe you snap that off.
I'm about to say I'm finna snap it off too.
I mean, know where it went.
Well, I don't know where the top went. But this is
Maybe
the last
snap
thing we got. So
Yours are better than mine.
I think that's enough.
You gotta take it. Use your phone, take a picture of this real quick. Why yours are better than mine?
Ain't touching my own phone, freak. Oh, mine wasting. Is my camera good? I think so. Now we taking pictures of them. No, it's not in the light. It need to be in the light. Put it in here. Mine look way better than yours.
Shut up.
Hold on, let me go ask Mom if she wanna try it.
Just stay there.
Well, nobody else wanna try it. So I guess that just leave all the greatness to me and Khalil.
If I thought I don't blame you.
You can't blame me for nothing. I ain't tell you that.
Nah, bro.
Okay, you ready? 3, and you gotta take a big bite. 3, 2, 1.
What the?
Mmm.
You don't taste that bad, bro.
Mm-mm.
I feel bad now.
It's been hot.
You got all the sauce leaking out. Look at it. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm fine. Wait. Yeah, I'm fine.
The candy make it good. Golly. I'm burning my mouth. Golly. Okay. I'm gonna finish it. This ain't nothing but pickle, fruit roll up,
Takis.
and hot chips. I'm gonna finish it. Cause I don't wanna waste my money. Let me see what Craig talking about. He don't know he don't want nothing.
I just hurt my teeth now.
I don't like people being worried about me. It all came off the pickle.
Huh?
It all came off the pickle. I don't want it. What you nasty? I ain't buying this again. This is nasty. You want some? Bacon. You want some? I just want the candy. I don't even want the pickle. Come on. I'm joking, ain't it? I'm gonna eat that. Bacon. You want to step to it.
Got top of that, so it was my race.
Come out there, y'all.